Hi, my name is Melissa de la Rosa Diaz, and this is Evidence 3 for Advanced English Level 3, and this is Going Global. Being global is being able to be part of the world without missing a moment and being always in touch with everything that is happening and how that affects positively or negatively your life. The world is changing, something is always happening. If here or in another part of the country, there's movement, there's change, and we have to keep up with that. Social media. Right now, social media is an excellent example of a tool for someone that wants to become known and have their brand known by everyone and reach audiences that before it would take months or even years to access and have a positive review. Social media is a platform that helps us to reach people that we don't even know, to reach places that we didn't think we could reach, and it's a way to make ourselves known and also get to a lot of people. The time and place is important. You have to know that your audience might You have to know how to get your audience attached to your brand. This means knowing what they like and what they desire, what's popular and what's not. It's important to know your audience so you can plan a way to reach them and make them engage. Improve and being always the one that is keeping up with the actual world. Right now, the market is even closer and tighter than it was before, and less brands get successful and have their breaking point. That makes them stand out from others. In this world that we're living, new brands are coming every day. They are trying to break into the market, and it's getting harder because social media only chooses a few, and having someone to know you is getting difficult. In the world that we live in, we may be scrolling through Facebook or Instagram just to see an ad about clothes, but knowing the algorithms of these apps, we have seen similar ads to the one we just saw. So having the it factor, it's what determines whether the user clicks the ad and looks for more. We have to make something that makes the brand stand out, so the people that are looking through the ad may want to see more. And some things that someone that wants to become global doesn't have to do is don't believe that just because you made it, you don't have to change. We're using new platforms that are different from the usual media that we're used to. Not making a research of your audience. If you don't know your market and how to approach them, it's going to become hard to reach them. We need to be global so we don't get lost in the ocean that is modern society, just to be able to fit with everyone, but because it's important to know what's happening around the world and how we can stay connected with people. Being global helps us create bonds that before having never existed and make us be able to learn from others and their way of thinking and what their needs are.